Hi guys, my name is Kobe. Welcome to Kitech Digital. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to reset your website to the default settings of WordPress. So let's say you have a website, okay? Now you've created the website and you don't like it anymore, or you want to redesign the website from scratch, okay? But you want to erase everything. But the problem is sometimes maybe you don't even have access to your hosting to be able to reinstall the WordPress from that place. So what can you do to be able to reset your website to go back to factory reset? That is mostly what we normally say when you are using electronics, to go back to, let's say, like the fresh installation of WordPress. So in this video, that is all what we are going to do. Okay, so stick and stay with me. Now what we are going to do is we're going to log on to the back end of our website. Now we will go to we hover on plugins over here, and then we go to add new plugin. Now when you are here, okay, we search for WP reset. So this is the plugin that we are going to use to reset our database and let our WordPress come back to the fresh installation that it was before we designed our website. So we're going to install this plugin, which is WP Reset, most advanced reset tool for WordPress. So we are going to click here, install now, and then we click on activate to activate it. Okay, so now that the plugin is activated, all what we have to do is to open the plugin. Okay, so as you can see a small notice over here which says thank you for installing the WP Reset plugin. Open tools, the WP Reset to access the resetting tools and start developing and debugging faster. Okay, so we're going to dismiss this, and then what we're going to do is we are going to click on, we can either click on open WP Reset tools, or we can even go to here, tools over here, and go to WP Reset. Okay, so let's click on it. Now we are going to get all the settings that we'll use to reset our website. Okay, so this is the settings over here that we can use to reset. Now some of them are pro, some of them are free. We are using the free one to be able to reset our website. Okay, so what we are going to do is to use this one which says site reset. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to reset the how do you call it, the website to its default settings as we installed WordPress. Okay, so what you have to do is to just type in reset, just like that, and then you click on reset. Okay, now let's take a look at the website one more time. This is how the website looks like. Okay, now we are going to reset it. So let's click on reset, and then it will give you a pop-up which says are you sure you want to reset the site, and then we say reset WordPress. So it is doing its own reset for us. So let's wait for it to reset. Now just some few minutes, it is done. As you can see, it is back to factory settings. It's back to the default settings of WordPress, just like the way you installed WordPress. Now this was how our website was looking. Now let's refresh it and see if we still have the same thing. So we don't have it. The theme directory does not exist. It means that our we don't have that theme on it. So what we got to do is we have to install our theme and then start working on it. So basically that is how you reset your website. So like let's go to appearance and then go to themes. If you get this error, this is how you fix it. Now you see over here the 2020 theme, which comes with the default WordPress, has has been deleted because I deleted it, so it didn't come again. Now if you want to install it, you can just click on what, add new, and then we will install the what, the 2022. We can what, just install it. Now since it is installed, let's activate it. Let's click on activate to activate it. So as you can see guys, we're back to what, since we installed the theme, it is what, back to what, default settings over here. So this is how you can be able to what, reset your website to the default setting for you to be able to start developing your website again. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.